Do you have a vision of what you want for yourself over the next 90 days? And the only way that vision happens is if you have a plan. So do you have the plan? Today's Kiss from Kristin is for you if you're a little fuzzy on the vision or the plan or both. I'm Kristin Wood, your favorite body wellness coach. And I work with women who are at this fork in the road. They know the choices they've been making in life are leading them to an outcome that they don't want. And continuing to make those choices to just supersize what they've got is definitely not going to be in their best interest. And they need a little help with what is the vision, what is the plan. And that's where I come in as a body wellness coach. So you probably know that I have a 45-minute Unlock Your Wellness session. But do you know what to expect from that? You might not. And some of the things that I hear from women who've had the call is, I didn't expect that to go that way. I didn't expect to feel this way. I didn't expect to know this. It's a lot of I didn't expect. And I get it. I didn't know either. I didn't know what to expect until I knew it. And it wasn't until I had figured out that I have all the pieces to make a wonderful life. I have the stable family. I have the financial security. I'm on this hamster wheel of life that just goes, and there's not a lot of curveballs. So from the outside looking in, it should be perfect. But inside, even though there was nothing wrong with the external, inside I just had all this turmoil. I was always chasing this nugget of happiness that, honestly, I thought it was going to come with this certain number on the scale. That's where I was going to find my happiness. But I reached that number on the scale several times over my life, and happiness didn't come with it. So what are you associating happiness with? And maybe you've already achieved it and the happiness didn't come. When I found out about a life coach, it was like, how was I almost 50 and had never heard of this person? Could this be the thing that I needed? I've been trying all these do-it-myself things and nothing was working. And why should it? We were not put on this earth alone. We were put on this earth with a bunch of other people because everybody has their own special thing that they add to the sauce. And we weren't meant to go it alone. If you want to become a better swimmer, you can practice a lot, but if you want help with your technique, you're going to go get a coach, someone who knows. If you break your arm, you can go to the pharmacy, you can buy all kinds of things and try to fix it yourself. But if you want it to heal correctly, you're going to go to a doctor. If your car is making all kinds of clunking and sputtering sounds, you can go buy a book. You can go buy a bunch of tools and hope that they are the ones that fix it. Or you can go get a mechanic. There's no question when things happen in our life that we're going to go to where we can get the best advice to move us forward in the quickest way. We do that in all areas of our life, except when it comes to ourselves. It doesn't dawn on us that someone else has been down this road and sees a solution, and you're too close to the problem to see the solution. We don't think about asking for help. And that's what I want for you. I want you to see that working with a coach doesn't mean that there's anything wrong with you. There's certainly nothing wrong with you. But there's two sides to every story. And the stories in your brain are working off of just this one side, and it's not the side that's working. So you need somebody from the outside that can look at it and show you, okay, well, but that story could be viewed like this, and that would totally change how you're doing life, how you're showing up for you. That's so worth it. Getting that clear direction, getting clarity on the plan that's going to help you reach that vision that you're looking for. That's what life coaching is about. And I get to bring in life coaching and mesh it with health coaching so that you get to have total body wellness. That's why I'm your favorite body wellness coach. And I encourage you, if you don't know what coaching feels like, if that's an experience that you want, start with that 45-minute Unlock Your Wellness session. It's no charge. See what coaching brings up. You know, what is that unexpected thing that's going to happen for you? And let's help you with this plan. This clarify the vision and show you the steps to the plan that is going to actually allow you to achieve that vision in a shorter time and untangle all the turmoil that your stories have created in your life. You deserve that. So book your call. Don't wait anymore. See what this experience is all about and what it can do for you. Because coaching is not therapy, but it is oh so therapeutic.